Just a short video to talk to you about this Dyson V6 cordless vacuum cleaner. Comes in full working order, has a brand new battery. It comes with everything as pictured. The head, brush bar head, has been taken apart, fully cleaned and put back together. Has dirt in tight places. Comes with original genuine power supply, crevice tool and combination tool. The wand does have a dent, I don't know if you can see it there, scratches, but it's only cosmetic. And then the main unit. The filter has been washed, cleaned and dried. The head's been washed out, the bin's been washed out and all dried. This has a brand new 4000 mAh battery just for this listing. Purchased last week. Two different modes. First mode, economy. Press the button on the back, the blue light comes on, that's boost mode. Boost mode is more powerful, but it drains the battery life until you charge it again. Let's put it together and show you it working quickly. Very hard to do one-handed. Oh. So it's in perfect working order. I do have many other Dysons in stock listed also. Thanks for watching. Any questions at all, please ask.